Good morning, everyone. Nicole Blaine here at Insurance Agency Marketing Services in Omaha, Nebraska. We're getting kind of a 3-minute early start. Want to thank all of you for joining us on this webinar today that we are going to go over kind of an in-depth dive of what is available for your clients for long-term care alternatives utilizing annuities, as well as a very strong long-term care policy that IMS does offer. I'm going to talk really slow and give it a couple more minutes. I've got some people jumping on here. Hope all of you are having a great day, and make sure that you write down all of your questions that you might have, as I will follow up with each and every one of you after the conclusion of the webinar. I'll give it about one more minute here and we will get rolling. Can everybody hear me and see my slides? If somebody could answer yes in the question box, I would appreciate it. Thank you, Fernando. Thank you. Okay, we're going to get rolling. We're going to go over the housekeeping items first. We're going to talk about IMS Business Builders. So this is designed to help you earn a little extra money. When you refer a producer over to IMS, we're going to give you $50 when that referral does contract. On that referral's first piece of business, we're going to give you $100 or 20 basis points, whichever is greater. And then we do have our marketing reimbursement program, which is designed to help you cover the cost of conducting business. So we are going to pay $100 into your marketing reimbursement account for each $100,000 of premium. Yes, Sean. Okay, can you see? Can you guys hear me? Yes. Okay, thanks, Warren. All right, so we have our new producer builder as well. Each $100,000 in your first 180 days or 6 months of contracting with IMS will get you a 1,500 piece postcard mailing, an iPad, $750 in cash, or pre-formatted emails, a marketing analysis, and a corporate identity package. That is a great marketing solution for your business. The $250,000 level gets you the 3,000 piece postcard mailing, $2,000 in your marketing reimbursement account, or $1,500 Visa gift card, or another great marketing option that we do have available, a newspaper ad marketing collateral, which does include a brochure, a fact finder, and a lead magnet. We have the $500,000 level for those of you that really get going. That does include a 5,000 piece postcard mailing with Matt Gill seminar training, a 4,000 piece postcard mailing with Dave Pimper seminar training, a Ritz-Carlton package for you and a guest, or another great marketing option for your business, a billboard ad, seminar presentation, email distro, and a full website or a website overhaul. $750,000 level will get you 8 recorded shows up on the Retirement Boss radio program. It does include the setup costs as well. 2 Social Security seminars with a guaranteed 50 buying units, $4,500 in lead credit, or 1 video social media campaign. And then for those of you who really hit it your first 6 months, if you can hit $1 million, we will give you a core story brand builder, get you published in a major news outlet. You will get 8 to 10 preset appointments, a dinner workshop with an 8,000 piece mail drop, or 3 videos, 3 consumer facing brochures, 3 custom articles, and special projects on request. The next thing that is what IMS was founded on is our back office support. we like to say that we are with you from submission to commission. So the minute you get a case, you give IMS a call. Whoever you're working with is going to help you with all of your case design, get you out your product training links, make sure you're contracted with the carrier, um, get your applications, your brochure, get you up to speed on that product so you can make a knowledgeable presentation to your client. Once you get that piece of business written, we are going to then scrub it, let you know if you need to make any changes, and then follow up on that piece of business every 3 business days. Another excellent resource that we do have for you is our website. And on the website, you can do your own life and annuity quotes. You can access forms, you can do your e-apps. We have our sales resource library, which is a wealth of knowledge. And then IMS does offer top sales expertise and coaching and paperless contracting. The next thing we are going to talk about is our creative marketing solutions, which we have incredible people in that department to assist you in all of your marketing needs. And with that, I'm going to launch my first poll question. Are you currently using any of IM's creative services? We're going to talk about it briefly. If you could answer the poll question, I would greatly appreciate it. So in our creative marketing solutions, we have turnkey solutions ready to print, customized with your agency information on it. They're all professionally written. They're handouts, flyers, newsletters, and postcards. We have fully customizable branding materials for your agency solutions, logo design, business card design, brochures, stationery, and advertising. And then where we can also really assist you is in the digital marketing space. We can design a personal website for you. We have digital marketing strategies that we can implement for you. We have social media consulting, email marketing consulting, and online newsletters. I do appreciate you guys' participation. I am going to close out that first poll question. Next slide we are going to talk about is our website. On our website, we have, as I stated, you can run your own quotes, you can do your e-apps, we have our sales resource library, we have our annuity product grid where you can pull MIGA rates specific for your state and whatever term length. You can run term life quotes. We have a long-term care product grid. If you would ever like any assistance in navigating the website, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I would be happy to walk you through all of the valuable resources that we do have available on the website for you. Next thing we are going to discuss is IMS Wealth Management. We founded IMS Wealth about 3 years ago when the DOL started to rear its face. And what your Series 65 can do for you. I am going to launch this next poll question. If you would like more information about IMS Wealth Management, please answer yes. If you're not interested, just simply answer no. But what IMS Wealth and getting a Series 65 can do for you is help you to not lose business that you could potentially lose. Because annuity suitability is what it is, sometimes you'll have clients who are too heavily allocated in annuities, and maybe they have $800,000 to invest, but because they have so many annuities, they can only invest 400,000 more in annuities. You have to have a place to place that other 400,000 or you're going to lose it. And you could potentially lose the initial 400,000 too, because the client may just go with someone who can represent them in all aspects of the business relationship. So with your Series 65, you can put them in managed money accounts, and then you are able to assist the client in investing the full 800,000 as opposed to just the 400,000. I appreciate all of you participating in that poll question. We're going to go on to our next slide, which I'm going to launch my last poll question. Would you like more information on our upcoming all expense paid life and annuity training academy? The next one is going to be May 6th through the 8th at Athene's home office in Des Moines, Iowa. It is an excellent opportunity if you are active in the life and annuity markets looking for new ways to increase your sales. We bring in 4 of our top producers. They go over the marketing strategies that they have used over the courses of their careers to get from the bottom to the top of the industry. There will be product knowledge presented there as well. It will be Athene's products that will be covered since they are co-hosting the Academy with us. I cannot stress enough what an excellent opportunity this is for agents. Every agent that has ever attended has been truly grateful for the opportunity and learned all kinds of new marketing strategies and how to present things to their clients more effectively. Close out this poll question. Appreciate your participation. Next thing we are going to cover is the Athene Baja trip. The invitational period started July 1 of 2019, runs through June 30th of this year. 3.5 million points get you qualified. You will be going to the Montage in Los Cabos. As you can see, it is a beautiful resort. It will be good times had by all. The next trip we are going to talk about is our IMS Marketing Summit that we will be having in 2020, March 7th through the 11th at Puerto Vallarta. The qualification period began July 1 of 19 and runs through December 31st of 2020. The minimum qualification is 3.5 million points, and I cannot say enough about how beautiful this resort is and how much you will enjoy mingling with your peers in a more relaxed environment. And then we are also going to run the trip out an extra 3 days. This will require 6.5 million trip credits at a minimum. The instant qualification is 8.5 million. You will be headed then to the Four Seasons Resort in Punta Mita, Mexico. As you can see, this is a very exclusive resort. Again, you will be dinners, golf, spa, anything that you want to do will be available to you. Now we are going to get into the meat and potatoes of this webinar. Why are we talking about this? We need to be able to offer our clients better income opportunities and help them maximize their assets in the event of any unforeseen circumstances. And because there is increased competition in this market space, we have been able to offer more innovative products. What the client can expect is an opportunity for increasing income payments, the power to retain control over their assets while receiving their income, enjoy an income that lasts as long as their retirement does, and an income that they cannot outlive. Now, these are some alarming statistics to me, and this is kind of what got me inspired to create this webinar. The one I'm going to focus on is that 67% of Americans have done little or no planning for any long-term care event that they might experience in their lifetime. 86% of people feel that the government should help them cover their costs, and 56% believe that Medicare should be responsible for the long-term care costs. Now, we all know that that is likely not going to happen. So here is where we are going to start talking about clients. If you have male clients who reach the age of 65, they have a 75% chance of living to age 79, 50% living to age 87, and 25 living to age 93. For women who reach 65, 75 are going to live to 82, 50 are going to live to 89, 25 are going to live to age 96. And then one of the most probing statistics that I did find was that 50% of all marriages have at least one spouse that lives to age 93. Now, you think about your older clients that you do have, and possibly their kids have gotten involved in their accounts with you. Likely, somewhere in your 80s, you are going to have a long-term care need. So the first product we're going to go over is our F&G Accelerator. The minimum premium for this product is $10,000. The issue ages are 0 to 85 for non-qualified and 18 to 85 for qualified funds. Income on this product is a 1-year wait, so it is available first year after issue. They do take non-qualified and qualified funds, both on single and joint payouts. The rider fee on this product is 0.9 basis points. This product does have a vesting bonus on any premium paid in year 1. It vests over 10 years. For age 75 and younger, it is a 6% bonus. 76 and older, it is a 3.25% bonus. You can see the states over here that do have the state exceptions on the bonus, which knocks it down to 4% and 2.25. Withdrawals on this product can be made after the first contract year if the client should need to access 10% out of their account and they don't want to turn on the income rider yet. They are available to do so. If you have a single, the starting payout percentages on a single age 50 is 3.5. It does increase by 5% every 5 years to age 85. Joint annuitants are 3%, and then it increases 1% every 10 years to age 80. Next slide we are going to talk about is if the annuitant meets the qualifications for impairment. This is what I am referring to as a long-term care alternative for your client. So what this product will do is if your client cannot perform 2 of 6 activities of daily living, and it is certified by a licensed physician, the impairment must begin at least 1 year after the contract issue, and it does need to be expected to be permanent, and the annuitant is 60 years or older. This product will double their income until their account value reaches 0. So if you have a client that's getting $2,000 annually, they're going to get $4,000. If they're getting 6, they're going to get 12. And that will pay out again until that account value is 0. There is not that 5-year limit on that doubler with fidelity and guarantee. And that extra doubling of their income can assist in paying for those long-term care expenses. So this slide just kind of goes over. They do cover home health care. Again, the contract must be in effect for at least 1 year, unable to perform 2 of 6 ADLs for at least 60 days, and expected to continue for at least 90 days after requesting the withdrawal. The nursing home care confinement must begin after 1 year. They must be confined for at least 60 days, and it is not available in Massachusetts. A terminal illness also, if the diagnosis is made at least 1 year after the contract's effective date and is certified by a licensed physician and the life expectancy is less than 1 year, they can withdraw their funds in any of these instances. They will have full access to their vested account with no surrender or MVA if they do not want to utilize their income rider. So here is a look at a quote. These are the guaranteed values on this product. So if a client invests $100,000, the guaranteed payout is $5,512. And then you can see the enhanced guarantee withdrawal payment is $11,025. That is guaranteed. That will pay out $11,025 until the account value, this vested account value, hits 0. So they would have to have 11,000. So up to age 80, they could receive a doubler to receive the $11,025 per year. And then you can also see the death benefit on the illustration. Again, these are guaranteed income payments. So the hypothetical is the same as the guaranteed. They're going to get $5,512 a year on a $100,000 premium deposit. Their enhanced benefit is $11,025. Death benefit is on the right, and the vested account value is what the doubler will be based on. That is hypothetical. That is based on the rate of return from the indexing strategies that the client and agent allocate to. I would like to talk about the Barclays Trailblazer Sector 5 Index. This is a very, very significant index that does have returns. The excess 15-year average is 4.15. However, last year it was up 15.25%, and it does have a 140% participation rate. So you can do the math on that. That is an excellent return for your clients. F&G does utilize both the S&P and the Barclays Trailblazer for their indexing strategies. And as you can see here, their payout percentages are fairly equal to everyone else's. At age 70, the payout percentage for a single is 60 and joint is 5.5. If you have a client at 66, it's 5.4 and joint is 4.9. The next product that we are going to go over is Equitrust Market Power Bonus. The minimum premium for this product is $10,000 and it issues from age 40 to 75 with the income rider on it. You can take income 30 days after issue on this product, so it is immediate. You can invest non-qualified or qualified funds, and the payout options are single or joint. The rider fee is 1.25%. On the Equitrust Market Power Bonus product, the rider description, it guarantees a lifetime income based on 6% accumulation for up to 10 years. This product does have a 10% premium bonus that is fully vested on day one. The income rider must be elected at issue, and the owner must be at least 40 years of age. The lifetime income withdrawals can continue even when the accumulation value is depleted. So that means your client is going to receive that income for the rest of their life. The annual fee for the rider is 1.25. It does have the enhanced income withdrawals. Income withdrawal amount increased by 100% for single life, 50% for joint for up to 5 years in the event of chronic illness, which is based on 2 of 6 ADLs or permanent severe cognitive impairment. The income withdrawal amount calculation is based on the percentages down below here, and the benefit base includes all premiums and premium bonuses, less any withdrawals, compounded at 6% for 10 years. The next slide we are going to go over with Equitrust's Market Power Bonus product is the information about starting and stopping the income withdrawals, which is kind of unique. Some carriers do offer this and some don't, but you can elect to start and stop the income rider. So if, say, at 66 you want some income and at 70 you decide, hey, I don't need the income right now, I'm going to shut off the rider for a couple years, you do have the opportunity to do so with this policy. The other thing you can do, if the client decides that they want to use the product just for accumulation and decides that they're not going to be taking an income off of it, they can terminate the rider. However, once they terminate it, they cannot add it back into their policy. So here's a hypothetical on Equitrust Market Power Bonus product. As you can see, they're going to give you a 10% premium bonus that's fully vested on day one. So your premium on 100,000 becomes 110. The income withdrawal benefit is $5,539. You can see the guaranteed accumulation value. So at age 80, again, that would be the last year they would be able to experience any kind of doubler on the product. And then you can see the income withdrawal column again on the non-guaranteed basis, still the same, $5,539. Shows the rider charges, shows their interest earned, the accumulated value, the cash surrender value if at any point they should decide to surrender their policy, and the death benefit. This would pay $11,080 in the event of a doubler situation based on confinement. Starting and stopping the income withdrawals, we've talked about that. They will take additional premium in the first year. That will go on the benefit base, and they will also receive 10% bonus on any additional premium that they do submit. Next product we are going to go over is the AIG multiplier. This product issues ages 0 to 78. There is a minimum premium requirement of $25,000. The multiplier on this product is based on confinement to a skilled care facility. Income is available 30 days after issue. They take non-qualified and qualified funds. They have a single and joint payout, and the rider fee is 1.1 basis points. I apologize. It says that you can't hear me. Can you hear me right now? You can hear me. Thank you. Okay. So back to AIG. Skilled care only ADLs. I will follow up with you guys and answer all of these. Skilled care only on AIG, yes. No ADLs. However, AIG does have one of the highest payout percentages in the year. The auto keeps going in and out. Yes, the webinar is going to be recorded. And I will send you all a recorded version after the conclusion of the webinar. I'm going to keep going for those of you that can hear me. So the AIG multiplier has a 200% multiplier during the years of deferral. So if they get 4% interest credited with a 200% multiplier, that will give them an 8% annual income credit. This slide also talks about doubling. So if they earn 5, they're going to take that times 2, they're going to get 10. That is during deferral only. But what this product is designed to do is hedge against inflation. So if you elect to do the increasing income option, your client will have an increasing income every year based on their interest that is earned. So what you can expect is Gary earns 8% times 2 plus 12% times 4, 5, 4, 3, 8. And then once he turns on income, it's going to pay 100% of his earnings. And then he's going to have his income base locked in for life. AIG does utilize the S&P, the PIMCO, and the Merrill Lynch. And here is a hypothetical non-guaranteed contract value showing I did do the multiplier. So the income is going to start at $5,100 on $100,000 in premium. And as you can see, it just steps up every year just a little bit. Now, should your client become confined to a skilled care facility, let's say they're getting the $5,100, that would be $10,200, $10,500, etc. And that as well goes until not the income base, but the account value is at 0. So here is the Power Select Plus income, the guaranteed. So the guaranteed income is going to be $5,100 per year for the rest of their life on a 65-year-old male who turns on income in the first year. Now here is what their enhanced income benefit confinement rider covers. On or after activation, the lifetime plus multiplier income flex can provide enhanced lifetime income if they are confined to a qualified facility such as a nursing home. This increased benefit is not treated as excess withdrawal. So if you're receiving $5,100 as an annual income payment and became eligible under the confinement rider, you may withdraw $10,000 per year without impacting future benefits. In addition, on any time prior to activation, you can change the number of individuals covered under the rider, single or joint, under special specific situations. You also have the flexibility to take withdrawals without voiding the doubler feature or locking in the withdrawal. Just keep in mind that these withdrawals will proportionally reduce your income base and your income payout. The next product we are going to go over quickly is One America's Annuity Care. The minimum premium on this product is $10,000 and it does issue age 50 through 85. Annuity Care is a great product for a client who is strictly concerned about long-term care coverage. That is what this policy provides. It does not provide they can annuitize it, but it is not a income product. It is a specific long-term care policy. The benefit is available 7 days after issue. Again, they take qualified, non-qualified funds, single and joint. There is no rider fee because it is a long-term care policy. As you can see, on a 65-year-old male on a single payout with a $100,000 premium, he would have, if we did the continuation of benefit rider, which means he would receive the $2,566 for the rest of his life if he should need it. So that benefit is designed to last his entire lifetime. Okay. If he chooses the lifetime benefit, he will receive $2,566 every year, or I'm sorry, every month that he cannot perform 2 of 6 ADLs, needs money for adult daycare. These policies really do cover anything that your client may experience. So as you can see, the non-guaranteed rates, these do include a long-term care value of 2% for the first 20 years and 1.75 thereafter. But the starting amount would be $2,566, and potentially the monthly benefit limit could increase based on interest earned. These are the product highlights. It is a single premium deferred annuity. It does issue joint or single, 10,000 minimum premium, 50,000 max. It does have a 10-year surrender schedule. It does allow for free partial withdrawals anytime after the first policy year. They can access 10% of their accumulation value. Surrender charges will be waived upon the death of the owner or the annuitant. And then if it is a joint policy, surrender charges will be waived upon the death of the surviving spouse. The long-term care fund withdrawals, the clients can access the long-term care fund on their annuity by qualifying in 1 or 2 ways: the inability to perform 2 of 6 ADLs or severe cognitive impairment, for example, Alzheimer's. To be eligible for the benefits, the annuitant or eligible person must be chronically ill individual if funded with non-qualified funds, with qualified long-term care services provided pursuant to the plan of care prescribed by the licensed healthcare practitioner. The long-term care waiting period is a 7-day waiting period. Now, here is what I would like to highlight: the types of care that are covered on this policy. So this obviously is going to cover a nursing home or assisted living, home health, but it's also going to cover adult daycare, hospice care, respite care, and bed reservation. So that is the advantage of using a long-term care policy. An annuity doubler is not going to provide your clients with that type of coverage. These are reimbursement policies, so they do reimburse up to the maximum monthly benefit amount. The minimum interest rate will be credited to both the accumulated value and the long-term care funds, and the continuation of benefit rider. You can do it for 36 months and you can do it for a lifetime. I do want to thank all of you for joining me on this webinar. As I said, I will be following up with each of you after the conclusion of it. So please make sure you have your questions ready and any quote requests that you might want. And I do appreciate you taking time out of your busy days to join me. I will be talking to you soon, and I hope you have a great day.